What's your opinion about speaking test?
I will say that speaking test is really helpful for our students. Those who are running students, they should give a speaking test, because if we give a speaking test, it will help us to improve our speaking skill, and it will help us to find out where we are lag behind. If we have us lagging behind, we will try our best to do. We have to improve more and more. I really think everyone should give a speaking test.
A very good morning today, and I'm your examiner, and I'm going to take your speaking level test. I hope that you are ready. And first of all, how have you been today?
I'm alright, thank you.
Could I know your full name?
Yes, my name is Tashia. If you feel free, you can call me Tashia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka.
Where is your home district? Basically, I would like to know.
My home district is Bikrampur.
Do you feel proud with your home district?
Actually, I never usually go there. I've gone there 2 times in my life.
Do you know anything about your home district?
Not too much.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Would you like to be a businesswoman?
No, I'm not, because I'm studying science, so
What do you want to be?
I would like to be a doctor.
Why would you like to be a doctor?
Because doctor is a noble profession, It's really a good profession. I want to help the poor people, those who are really sick, those who are staying in care. I want to help them. I want to improve their health. I want free treatment. I want to give them free treatment. So that's why.
So do you have any good or bad experience about doctor?
Yes, I have, because if we see in television or if you hear the news, we can hear many bad doctors about they are doing corruption, they are not treating the people goodly, they are not caring people goodly. And I've heard a lot of news about it.
And what will you do after being a doctor?
I would like to improve this sector. I would like to give free treatment to the poor people, and I would like to help others. I'll try my best to do it.
How many members do you have in your family?
I have 5 members: my parents, my mom, dad, me, and my younger sisters.
So what's your position?
I'm the elder sister.
Don't you have any brother?
No, I don't have any brother.
What do you do? So whenever you get free time?
I usually watch TV, and sometimes I play with my younger sisters, and sometimes I hear podcasts and some other else. Or sometimes I read books, novel books, or story books. That's all I do.
How do you feel whenever you read books, and what kind of books do you read?
I love to read motivational books or novel books like this. And I feel really good when I read books. It refreshes my mind, and I can gather more and more knowledge about something. It's really very good for me. I love it.
How was your childhood?
My childhood was really good. All of those are golden memories, I can say. I raised in a good family with love, care, and support. I really could remember every day or all the memories. I really miss those days.
So did you have any best friend in your childhood?
Yes, I have. I'm missing her because she's staying so far away from me. So it's been so while we haven't met after all.
How many friends do you have?
Currently, I know all my friends at my coaching and my classmates in my school. So I have around 20 friends, like this, 20 or 21. I have lots of friends. All my friends are really very good. They are always really careful and sharing. We always share every matter each other.
What's your favorite food?
So my favorite food is I love biryani. Because I know it's not healthy, but it's really mouth-watering and it's really appreciating. I really love this. It's really tasty and delicious.
Can you cook?
No, I can't cook.
Don't you try ever?
I don't try ever a lot.
What's your favorite color and why? And why not?
My favorite color is white. It's a sign of purity, and I really love this color, and it's really suited on me whenever I wear a white dress or something like this. And I don't like the black color too much because it doesn't suit on me, and I don't like it too much after all. But many people love black, I know.
So as a human being, we love everyone. But my question is that what kind of person do you love?
I love the person who has a good personality, who has knowledge about some good topic or good thing. It's really good and really his character is his or her character must be good and really good with treating others, treating with people. I really think that I like to choose a person who's really good at every sector.
What's your opinion about speaking test?
I will say that speaking test is really helpful for our students. those who are running students, they should give our speaking test, because if we give a speaking test, it will help us to improve our speaking skill, and it will help us to find out where we are lagging behind. If we have us lagging behind, we will try our best to do. We have to improve more and more. I really think everyone should give a speaking test. It is like a test. You will understand your position. You understand your current position, where you are right now, how it's going, or how should you improve more or not, like this.
And there are many students who would like to learn English, and they're watching your videos and they're getting appreciated to learn English. And how do you feel?
Oh, I don't know about it a lot. I haven't visited. Maybe you have posted on Facebook. I've heard a lot. I really think it's really good. Everyone should learn English, and everyone should practice, not for watching. A video is not for watching. A video is for learning something and gathering knowledge, and do it your best to do what you want to do.
Thank you very much for your performance, and best of luck, and go ahead.